Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and setting up these Aomais E2 earbuds. So stick around and let's see what these little things can do. Alright, moving straight forward into the unboxing here. Let's go ahead and get them out. Alright, looks like we got the earbuds and stuff in here. Let's go ahead and get this to this first. So you see you got the neckband here for the earbuds. You also have the two earbuds in here. Get them out. Alright, so there it is. There are the Aomais E2 earbuds, as you can see. Let's see what else we have in here. Looks like we have a charging cable right here, a micro USB charging cable. We have some earbud plugs you can change out right here. You can get the one that fits your ear best. We also have those. And let's see here. Aomais also gives a 1-year guarantee on their earbuds. If you have any issue with them, that's good. Okay. And they also have a free tech support, as you can see right there. All right, here are the instructions right here. Get these instructions unraveled. There are the instructions right there. See if you can see that. Front and back. All right. So now let's get right into setting these up. I'm gonna actually set it up to my watch here. Let's go ahead and do that now. All right, to power it on, you see this little button here. It's probably kind of hard to see. It's kind of hidden, but you have a volume down right there, volume up. You also have a power button right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and press and hold this power button. I'm gonna get into Bluetooth mode. As you can see, it's flashing red and blue right now. So now it's ready to be paired. So we're gonna go ahead and connect to it. All right. Now, as you can see, we are now currently connected. As you can see right there. So let's go ahead and play some music right now. Put this back in my wrist and see how it sounds. Neckband on. Put it on the right way. Right now I got it on low volume, sounds great, nice and crisp. Let's turn the volume up a little bit here. It gets really loud, so if I'm talking louder, it's because I can't really hear. It's pretty loud. They feel comfortable in the ear. They're pretty good, as you can see. I mean, it takes a good amount of force to pull them out. All right, I'm probably yelling. All right, let me turn this down. So if you're working out, the average workout's not going to shake these out. And that's why you have the neckband, so it's not, these are not going to be able to move and wiggle out your ear that easy. So that's a good plus. Overall, they feel comfortable. For just putting them in my ear, they feel pretty comfortable. The neckband is comfortable as well, and the volume up and down buttons, they're right here on my right side, right here. So I'm turning it right now. I'm turning it up. Go up here, turn it down. So it's nice and easy to reach if you're running. Or if you're exercising, it's not going to be hard to turn these headphones up and down. So overall, they are comfortable. Setup, as you can see, was easy. Just basically put it in Bluetooth connectivity mode by holding the power button down, the middle power button, and then just link it to your Bluetooth device. Overall, I think these are some decent headphones. We're going to definitely use them while I'm working out. This is my first actual neckband style headphones, so I'm definitely excited to work out with these right here. So, well, that pretty much concludes today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to go down there and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you next time. Peace.